a second.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 360, and we are back with another Fire W Banger video.
Yo, spread the word. Top Shotters are back in full effect.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We are like 20 or like 10 subscribers away from 2,500 subscribers. So make sure y'all hitting the like, comment, subscribe button, bro. Go hit the like, comment, and go subscribe. Most importantly, go subscribe. But in today's video, we are going to have a Mustang owner drive the Flame Tune V6 Charger. Now, we all know what they say about Mustang drivers. But this is my guy Spiff. He's been on the channel a few times. When he raced the blue S197, when I raced his girlfriend's RT, when I did the video with him and his little brother. But now we're gonna put him in the driver's seat. So let's see how this goes.
You going to jail. You going to jail.
We are not gonna have the Instant 360 on today. It's just gonna be just like some raw clips like how I normally do, but I'm gonna throw the Flame Tune on the car. All right, y'all, got the tune written on there. Them stage 2 advanced Burbles, so y'all know it ain't the video. Not that start. I swear, that start sounds perfect every single time. Listen to that idle. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get a little closer to his crib. Get a few burbles right here real quick. Jump to the highway like Ricky Bobby. Woo! Hell yeah! All right, we close to his crib. Let's see if he can hear me. Woo! Oh my God. God damn. All right, let's see what he says, see if he can hear us. All right, y'all. Got to the homie Spiffy house. He's the one that has the black S197, but we're gonna toss the keys, man. We're gonna toss the keys. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. You ready? Yeah. I think it's gonna be all right. Let's see, man. Mustang owner driving the 3.6. Go ahead, give it that start first. Let's see. Give that start first. Oh yeah, hold on. Yep, hit that one twice. Ah.
Fancy.
All right, y'all. Oh, pick up the camera so he hits the road. I'm tall as that. Damn, you look little as that. Yo, his feet ain't even at the pedals right there. Yo, look. That is crazy. I'm in the Stang. I said the Stang. I gotta wait a minute. Hold on. Yo, I said got him in the Stang. Not yet. Okay. I got my boy in the 3.6. So as far as like the car being like, how does the car feel? Like,
Feels good. Feels better than Mustang.
does it feel smooth? Like, I feel like the car rides rough sometimes. I don't know. All right, so I got the Flame Tune on. So let me see. So if you go up, you can see the mile an hour. Perfect. All right, so I got the Flame Tune on. So we can try if you want to real quick. So if you put it in, so with Dodge, down is upshift, up is downshift. So you see how it goes like the plus and minus?
So down is up.
And up is down. Yeah, it's gonna be weird.
Alright.
It's gonna be weird. So that's how it is. Trust me, it was weird when I first got the car, so it's way different.
So I just...
Yeah, so you have to shift it over and put it in, go up. Yep. What gear is it in?
Where do I find that?
The gears would be like on this side right here.
It's in 5.
Fifth? All right, bet. So we downshift again. Downshift again.
Alright.
Downshift again. It's in second. the gas. Now let off. Now put your foot, now tap the gas. Like that. So, yeah. So when you, to make it do the big burbles, you're gonna do the same thing, but like as the RPM is going down, tap the gas a little bit. So you just like this feather, just give it a little tap. Yeah, that wasn't bad for the first try. First try, okay, let's see. All right, what gear you in?
I'm in third right now.
Third?
I'm in second.
It's third, all right, hit it. Tap it. Just like that, now floor it. Tap it. Floor it. Tap it. Now just floor it. Tap it. Floor it. Yeah. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, you see? Go ahead and look. Tap it. Tap it. Oh, oh my God. Oh. Yo. Tap it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Nah, that was fire. I told you, bro, that motherfucker snapped, don't it? Yo. How did it feel? How did it feel?
Oh, this is amazing.
It's fun,
Yeah,
bro. It's just fun as hell, bro. Like,
man.
oh my God. Were you was in second?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm saying second gear be fucking ka. So he learned the Burbles a little bit. Now let's see if he can make it go like back to back. So let's see. Put it in manual mode, put it like in second or third, it don't really matter. I like second though.
Second.
Yeah. Let off. Tap it. Oh, that was a flame. Oh, I can tell, yeah. Damn. 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 That motherfucker sound crazy. Damn! It's so much louder on this side. Like now I know what you mean when you drive with me. Yo! Damn! Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. So now we're gonna have him do a 50 roll so he can see how it feels. Let's see. All right, you in second?
Yeah.
You in second? All right, so get up to 50. All right, and go. Oh, you can let off. That auto shift is so clutch, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, that shit is. It feels a lot different on this side now. Like, I see what you mean by like the torque really like it glues you. Hell yeah, bro. Nah.
Yeah.
Shift, bro. How did it feel like shifting like when you off the first hit?
It shift better than my Mustang. I can't say that.
Damn.
They did their shit with this.
Bro,
Yeah.
bro, underground. We need Mustangs on the tune list, bro. We need Mustangs, bro. We need Mustangs.
Even if it's not like a flame to or not,
Just like a performance?
I'm telling
Yo.
you, because if it's gonna, I'm sorry, but if you got the Charger shifting like this, you can get that on 97.
Hey, it's
Crispy,
it's
man.
only right. It's only right.
For real.
Come on, man. Now we gonna switch. So now I'm gonna do a little flyby for y'all. Let's see. Oh damn, the door closed. My fault. Look, bro, look at how short this man is. Like, yo, I feel so close to the fucking steering wheel right now. Like, look, seat still going back. Hold on. Seat still going back. Still going back. Still going back. Look, hold on. I gotta put it down now. Look.
Oh,
Short kings, man. Short kings.
my bad for the shakiness. I have no steady hands at all.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, ain't that right? All right, y'all. So now I gotta show Smith how to really get them Burbles. That was a rooster?
Yeah, bro, we got chickens across the street.
Yo, y'all just be having random shit spawn. But big shout out to the homie Spiff for coming out driving the 6 baddie. All right, so your honest opinion for somebody who has a fucking badass S197, how you feel about the handling and like the performance on the 6? How you feel about it?
I'm gonna go 1 through 10 handling. I'm gonna give it an 8 for sure. I'll give it an 8. Performance-wise, for what it is, I will give it a 10, 100%. It shifts perfect, like I was saying earlier. It shifts perfect. I mean, it gets up to speed whenever you need it to.
Mm-hmm. That third gear eat. That third gear climb. But underground, let's get a Mustang, please.
Just please, man.
Let's get a Mustang. Yo.
Just try.
You never know. Let's get a Mustang. You never know, man. But big shout out to him. Spiff will be starting a YouTube channel soon, so make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to his page.
Yes,
bro, he's about to put out some fire S97 Mustang car content, all that. So whenever he gets his page up, trust me, we and the art, yo. All I gotta say is, y'all are in trouble. Y'all are in trouble when this car gets to where it needs to be. Because trust me, if this did what it did to me, imagine what this gonna do to them. They don't even know. They don't even know.
Let's go cook the S197.
Hey.
I can't lie.
Hey, she got demon wheels on there for a reason. This is a mini demon. This is a mini demon. Y'all, oh my God. Y'all better be ready for that one, man. Y'all better be ready. But that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and blood clot subscribe. Because if you don't subscribe, me and Spiff gonna find you, bro. This your boy 36J.
This your boy Spill.
And we out. Bow.